Hey guys, this is Xavier with Gotta Be Mobile, and this is the new Galaxy Note 8. It's a great device that costs almost $1,000, and one thing that you probably don't do with most gadgets that cost as much is soak it in your garden with a hose. But doing this with the Note 8 is just fine. It's not something that you do on an everyday basis, but I'm just doing this to demonstrate that it's absolutely okay to use this phone in inclement weather, to dunk it in a swimming pool, to take pictures of your kids during water fights, etc., or to even use it in the bath. Now, this is a very expensive phone, but this water resistance is something that you should look for in any phone, whether it's a Note 8 or any phone that costs more than several $100. As you can see, I can go ahead and soak this thoroughly, both the front and the back of it, and I will immediately be able to go ahead and use it after wiping it off on my jeans. Now, you can't use a phone's display while it has water on it. It will get confused as to where you're trying to tap. As you can see here, it works immediately. This is a great feature and something that you should expect in any high-end smartphone in 2017.